Welcome to our tutorial on how to work a sales plan using the DealerTeam Sales App. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to schedule tasks, complete follow-ups, log calls, and create sales appointments. By the end, you'll be equipped with all the necessary skills to manage your sales pipeline efficiently. Let's dive in. Open the DealerTeam Sales App, click on Sales Up, and select the desired Sales Up from the list. You can find tasks and events related to this Sales Up in the Activity tab. Tasks are a point-in-time record of an activity, such as a logged call or email. They can be set in the future and have due dates and statuses. Tasks with high priority are marked with a red flag, and dates of overdue tasks are marked in red. To schedule a new task, click on New Task. Fill in the subject, due date, and status. Click Save. You can change the status and priority of the task accordingly. Tasks can be found on the home screen in the My Tasks component, where you can choose your desired view, or from the app launcher by searching for tasks. When completing follow-up tasks, click on the checkbox next to the completed task. If you want to log a call from a Sales Up, click on Log a Call. Fill out the contact information and any comments you may have from the call and click Save. Events are scheduled for specific days and times and have start and end times. Examples include sales appointments, conference calls, and meetings. To create a sales appointment, navigate to the Sales Up record and click on New Sales Appointment in the header. Enter the date and time and click Save. Events can be found on the home screen in the Today's Events component or from the app launcher by searching for Calendar. Congratulations, you've now learned how to effectively work a sales plan using the DealerTeam Sales App. By following these steps, you can stay organized, prioritize tasks, and ensure timely follow-ups with your leads. Thank you for watching.